The Miami TLSO can be fitted and removed in standing or supine position. However, please check with your medical health care provider to ensure you are suitable for this. Detach chest strap buckle. Loosen shoulder strap. Loosen compression system handles. Fix them onto the belt after loosening. Detach the overlap closure. Stretch out the compression system to its full width by pulling the ends of the belt apart. This will make it easier to fit the brace next time. While standing in your most upright position, put the device on like a vest or backpack. Center the back panel on the spine, with the bottom just below your hip bones. Close the belt. You can use the quick fit pocket for easy donning. Tighten the shoulder strap and close chest strap buckle. Slide your thumbs through the blue holes in the pulley system handles and pull outward until the brace is at the appropriate tightness. Do not over-tighten. In supine position, follow the same instructions to remove and fit the device.